this planet has 3 years exactly starting from now. If you don't watch the video you will die soon. This is not a joke. I'm going to start my counting down from this moment on as if only had Power Elite just had within gotten 3 years. From this month on to fix the planet and stop production and destruction will be bestowed upon you.